So evidences of corrupt officers made false report is right there, right outside there. The guard. I'm gonna take him till court. His police complaint. It will be very useful. Officer said it's nothing like that. Huh? That there is no hack in my thing, right? So when I sent him the files, who knew? No one knew. Okay, I'll dropped it on the YouTube. How many views do I get in YouTube? Nothing. But the one who is watching me, they know now. Rajgad has those files. Huh? So his event was, someone was in the wine shop, then someone was at the, what do you call it, his location pops up in different places. So the matter is, the suspect is in his call logs. The suspect is in call logs and he visits wine shop and same suspects defame me. Defames me. The same suspect defames me, is in his call logs and does the message planting against me, and he also visits the wine shop, and he also does the GPS spoof or organizes GPS spoof. That's all I could say. I could never take any name. I cannot take any name. So, the suspect who is tracking the Raj guard and doing the GPS and all those stuff, so his police complaint will be very useful, and whatever happened to him, his statement will be very useful. Plus, his what do you call it? I'll make sure. I'll try to, what do you call it? Do video call from court to him, so he can give what happened to him right in front of the judge. So that's the proof corrupt officers are making false reports, and it won't make change my decision of making the files viral and giving the copyright to the entire country. Samjha? It won't change my decision. I'm gonna change my phone and I'm gonna give those files to every state ministers, because I'm giving the copyright to the entire country. Every state ministers. It won't change me, it won't scare, it won't fear me, it won't scare me. Every state ministers are gonna get those files, and those state ministers will do the head count of their state people, and they wanna claim for copyright. Thank you, sir. So, I don't have to viral the files now. I only have to give it to ministers with the everything, material information and the testimony of Raj, the statement of Raj guard, the statement of Raj guard, and the corrupt officers report that the corrupt officers made a false report with his statement. Look, I'm getting loaded with evidences. My thing is getting, what do you call it, loaded with evidences. I gotta get his statement in court that yes, wherever the file goes, those guys are being tracked and hacked. Wherever I work, whoever I speak with, those guys are getting tracked. So, so what? That's the one single guy. His statement will be very important in the court. So every ministers are going to get those files. They'll do the head counts of their state people, and they're going to claim the copyright. And fake bank account has prostitution transaction with that detail too.